In a huge commune lived a wise old turtle named June. She found her muse in the tunes of her lute. Her tunes ruled the cubed room. One day, a cute mouse named Lucy stumbled upon June's melody. June handed Lucy a tiny lute. The music was diffused by a rude dupe, a raccoon named Jude, playing a ruse on a tube. Bemused, June, Lucy, and even a wise old owl named Luke joined the musical cube. The tunes attracted more animals: a huge elephant, a confused crocodile, a puce mule, and a mute monkey. Together, they created a fusion of music. The commune became consumed with unity where friendship ruled. As the sun set, the animals instituted a group from their impromptu amusement. The tunes suffused through the air like fumes of smoke. And so, the commune was reputed for its seducing tunes.